Okay, so let's talk about this situation here. I'm going to walk through how to set this up in StatCrunch so we can get all of our data and numbers from there. So when blood pressure is measured, it is reported as two values, systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. Okay, so questions. How are these two variables related to each other? And do they tend to be both high or both low? How strongly associated are they? So basically, we're going to have to get this data, graph it, and get the coefficient of correlation from that. So let's do that. Next page here. We have all of the data in StatCrunch here. Now we want to set up what they're doing with the same in the book, with our systolic being our Y value. So let's do that first. Let's take a look at the graph. And we're just going to do a scatter plot. And our Y was our systolic, and X was that. And let's double check that that was correct. Yes. Okay, so we have the same graph as the book does. Now, obviously the book already has a graph for you, but you should be able to do this all by yourself. Now, I am looking at this data. It seems to be pretty linear relationship where one goes up, the other goes up as well. So with that being said, we're going to calculate a correlation of coefficient of correlation. And you're going to find that under stat and under summary stats. And there it is, correlation. So again, stats, summary stats. So we need to choose the two that we're going to compare, and to put two in there, it's a little tricky because I have to do, if I click one, then click the other, it just takes them out. I don't know why they do that, but use the shift button to be able to get them both in there. And then we're going to just hit compute. And again, our correlation coefficient is 0.79247921, which is extremely accurate. So we have a very strong linear correlation on this set of data here.